The Multi-Mortise Index Jig makes quick work of cutting multiple mortises in your workpiece. It sets up in seconds and is deadly accurate. We start by laying out the first and second mortise positions, then we'll use the Multi-Mortise Index Jig for all the rest. Place the front fence top that's closest to the operator with the Multi-Mortise Jig and leave it loose while you simultaneously align the second mortise position to the center line of the table. The Multi-Mortise Jig pin position should be in the vertical center of the first mortise. With this cutout mortise piece, you can see its intended position. You'll quickly get a feel for this, but if you prefer, you could mark the center line on the workpiece and set the vertical pin height to that level before you do this step. Notice how effective the dust collection is even without the brush. More and more we're leaving the brush off for mortising operations so we can see the bit better. You'll soon develop a rhythm as you release your clamps, move the workpiece to align the mortise to the index jig, reclamp, cut, and repeat. We love using our air clamps for this operation. It's so fast and really fun. But lever clamps will hold the workpiece securely as well. When indexing with the multi-mortise jig, you can use either end of the previous mortise for the alignment. But, of course, it's very important that you always use the same end for every mortise array. We have a couple of videos on YouTube showing multiple mortise and tenon, and we'll put the links in the description below. This project was a shoe bench with a lower shelf built with equally spaced mortise and tenon. It was a perfect application for the Multi-Mortise Index Jig. Gluing your project is always the exciting part, and we often use epoxy due to the longer open time and the lubrication it affords when you have so many tenons to insert, all at the same time. In this case, we use Titebond 3, which is readily available at the time. John Henry made this little alignment jig to validate spacing, but in this case, with the accuracy of the mortise and tenon, each one is just spot on. The Multi-Mortise Index Jig is a great addition to your PantoRouter toolbox, and we'd love to see how you use yours. So please send us photos of your finished project and also process shots so that we can share with others. We used the Multi-Mortise Jig for a different purpose as we built these plant stands. We wanted to index to the shoulder rather than to the end of the workpiece, so we set the index pin just above the tenon, and it really worked great. Let us know how you like this new jig, and happy PantoRouting!